Hello, welcome back to TDL DIY. Today we're going to look at 2013 Mazda 3, and we're going to show you how to replace the in-cabin air filter. This will apply to 2010 to 2013. So first thing you're going to have to do is just pull this off. It's just snapped on. There you go. Just put that out of the way. Then you're going to want to pull this down. Just two little snap clips right here. One there, one there. Just easy to get it out of the way. And there should be two screws. Two Phillips head. Just right in there. And I'll go ahead and do that right now. You just pull it out. Careful not to damage the blower motor resistor. It can either be a card like this one, or some of them will be like metal. So just be careful of it. If you want, the easiest thing to do is just unplug it. Just get it out of the way. You don't have to, just kind of push it up out of the way. Then you just pull out one, and it's a two-part air filter, and then pull down the other one, just like that. So basically how this sits, it goes in and then pushes up, and then this one will just slide right in underneath it. So it's a two-part air filter, and yeah, that's how it comes out. Now I'll show you how to put it back in. I'm not going to change mine out. Mine don't look too bad. They're not too dirty, so I'm going to keep the ones we have in there. So all you're going to do, push it up in there like that, and come along with this one. Should just slide in, just like that. Very easy. And then all you have to do is put this clip back on, like so, and two screws. That is how you change your cabin air filter, and we'll just go ahead and put the rest of it back together. So for this, very easy. Push it back on, just like that. And just make sure this piece gets seated up right in there. And that's all there is to it. If you like my channel, feel free to subscribe, and there'll be more videos coming shortly.